Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't going to record this because I do struggle with pocket letters. My first one I struggled, and this is my second one ever. Oh, something's fallen. And this is my second one ever. But with any project, I pick one like major thing that inspires me, and then I go based off of that. So for this one, these little original sweethearts, the color scheme. And I try to do all my projects different, even though they're all Valentine's Day. I want to do different, like the last one I just did was pink and blacks, and the one before was all pinks and girlies. And this one's gonna be sweetheart inspired. I may or may not have eaten a box. So far I just cut out little squares from just regular cardstock, and I'm sticking in some like leftover die cuts that I cut out. Is this cute little like die set from overseas, and it's just got like, look, says you rock. Okay, me and you, be mine. Sorry for the glare, it's nighttime. Hot stuff, you rock, all sorts of cute stuff. And right now I'm just placing them in here. Some of them, because this shakes around and then it gets bald. Okay, so these guys, off camera, I stuck these little scotch tapes on a few of them, 4 of them actually, so that the shaker pocket doesn't look empty when you hold it up. So like there's still guys there. And I did see that on one of Tamika, she was sticking like gems on stuff and would like back it with another one as well so that you couldn't tell that she used tape. I forget what she was making though. Really? Stuff fell. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just shoving this little shaker. I think this is like the go-to place for a shaker. So far what I've seen when I try to look up pocket letters. But for this one I do want to add some type of glitter. These are all the Recollections brand from Michaels. They were on sale one day for like $1.89 after coupon. And I mean, they're like bits. It's not glitter, it's like chunks of, I wish it was real gold and silver. But it's super heavy and I had to buy them just because I'm obsessed with glitters. I think I'm gonna go with like gold stuff as well, so the gold might not match with this like muted gold. I'll just stick with pink. Let's just pour some of that in there. Oh, washi for this. So this is the washi from Target Dollar Spot, and it had that like a cat with sunglasses on it as the background. But like defective paper. I'll just take this down. I'm back. So I used to add like ruffles and stuff to my daughter's onesies and stuff. I'm telling you, when I got pregnant, I turned crafty as woo, and I was buying all sorts of stuff. Okay, so this is gonna be shabby beautiful. There, or should I do it down here? I don't know. I'm gonna do it right here. My glue gun stands by itself. I love this thing. And then if I'm somewhere and the cord doesn't reach, I just unplug it and it's still on. There's like a battery somehow. I don't know. But I just keep it plugged in anyway. Battery on? Off? I don't know. So I'm just gonna do it on the edge. Whoa. Of course, ran out of glue. Okay, so now I'm just gonna so this little planner thingy. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do this right here. Okay, I'm done because I don't know what else to add. Game's over. Oh. No, but really. Let's do her. I wonder if this. I wonder if I have. Can that be an E? Oh, you know what? I could do a. Okay, so I found the O. I know I'm gonna want this like. Somewhere. I have some of my handmade rosettes that I made. The other day. This is gonna be too big to stick inside unless I really trim it down. Let's do so. Do a heart somewhere. A bunch of the, okay, not red. I have these little crepe paper inspired things. I did emboss these, so it's not gonna come off. Okay, I've made some of these little flag embellishments. Let's see here. Oh, I know. What if I did it like this? On the outside and the hearts on the inside. Timent, saying it wrong. Take this guy out. We're going with the gold theme. I got this stuff. It's actually yarn. I was wondering where everybody was getting their eyelash trim. Turns out it's from the yarn section of the craft store. Right now I'm just layering. Okay, that's cute, right? Then this guy, we're gonna do it down here. And this little banner at the top. Yeah, okay. Tight fit, like my pants. Oh my love. Then see, I have some blacks These stickers are so cute. I just got them today. And I'm gonna write hi on here. Actually, let me take these guys down. Oh, my baby's. How cute is that? I love the popped up part. Okay guys, what do you think? I mean, I can go through and add some like enamel dots and stuff. Let's leave these down here, which is what I'll probably do later on, and then add my goodies. But overall, I think I mean, it's simple. I don't know how to layer really. I think I'm gonna add more stuff eventually when I like look at it and see where it looks like bald or naked. But overall, I think I like it. Bye.